How to use the VPN on your MacBook. So in order to do that, you have to download and install any VPN on your Mac. So right now I will be using this Tunnel Bear. So you can simply download it on your Mac. Once it's downloaded, open your system settings, and now on the left there will be the VPN option. If not, simply click network and there will be the VPN option. Simply click it, and here you have to turn on that VPN which you turned or installed. So simply enable it, and now the VPN is active. So if I open this VPN, as you can see, it will be working. So right now I can, for example, check or select the United States and turn it on, and it will be working and using the United States location. If you want to turn it off, simply do it here. You can turn off your VPN and go to your settings. It's already disconnected, and that's how you can use the VPN on your Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.